in title case. You guys have to understand the difference between title case, uppercase, lowercase, hizo cases zote. So in title case, in uppercase, we'll show you the difference. Then again, we'll have the running head here, but hii page 2 iko na abstract. Most of the papers mtakuwa mnaandika itakuwa na abstract. So this is how it will appear on page 2. Itakuwa na title page. So title utaandika mara 3, mara 2 page 1 na page 2 na constant for every page at the running head. It's confusing, but let me show you how we'll be doing it in Word.
Okay. You are very fast.
Okay. So once you open your Word, it should look like this. If for me, I usually start formatting my work nikianza kazi. Wengine wana format ukimaliza. It's okay. You just choose what's best for you. But when you open your Word, kama uli set default, hapa inafaa kuwa times New Roman 12. Hizo ni default zinafaa kukua. Unafaa kuwa na ruler. Hii ruler yako inafaa kuwa pia left and right, top and left. And then page 1. So let's say you are doing a paper on which paper? Kati unaweza tumia hizo title ya paper tu watu watafanya leo. Sample tasikia go. Hii ni police recruitment process. Nice. So this is our title, police recruitment process. And then when pasting, unaweza weka default control V kwa ikimerge. Usually merge formatting so that you assume easy settings. So the first thing you do, una open header. You see, ukifungua unakonga kwa home. So ku open header una double click hapa juu. Hapa. Na double click. I don't know if you guys can see hii part iko grayed out. You double click hapo. Ita open header. So do header and footer. Now we are design. So for APA6, we have to check this box first. That's the first thing we do. Different first page, because for FPA6 has its first page is different from the rest. So this is the first thing you do. The second thing you do, you insert the page number. So there are 2 ways you can do it. You can either use this under design, which is the easiest. Just go here, top of page. There we go. Then insert, and you can see my page number. Nini yangu ni default. It's in Times New Roman 12. So after inserting the page number, you will have your page number kwa top right, and this box is checked in APA6. So bring your cursor just before 1. Unaweza tumia keyboard ndio isikusumbue. Then hit backspace so that we insert the running head at flash left. Then type in running head in sentence case. Then the title of the paper inafaa iko hivi in uppercase. But in our case, title is police recruitment process. So I can just copy paste this for my case, or you can just type in. But copy pasting the page, I'll ensure the meaning is correct. So when you are typing in uppercase, what data autocorrect? Then you can go now back to home and toggle and change the case. Hii button inatumika kuchange case. So we have sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, na title capitalize each word. So hit uppercase. So most cases itakuwa inapeleka hii 1 to the next line. So what you do, kuja hapa penye your running head inaishia and hit delete kwa keyboard once. Inarudisha kwa the same line. So our first page kwa APA, our head of the first page is done. So yes, the first thing you do, you open.
Rudia hiyo process yako ya mwisho ya kupinya enter irudi hapo jiko line moja.
Oh, sawa. So I'll say in case uweke kitu uppercase, alafu iende to the next page, to the next line, unaleta cursor hapa mwisho wa process, then you hit delete kwa keyboard, delete is different from backspace. Delete space on its right, but it's something on the right, backspace na delete on the left. So there you go. So we'll have our running head in archival. Again, unaweka hii different first page, unatumia hii design kuinsert top of page 1. Alafu una backspace hiyo ni kuja huku. Unaweka running head, colon, unaweka police recruitment, then unatumia itakuwa hapo tab one will be here, then tab once or twice. Then we'll have it. Let me just repeat for the last time very quickly. So this is your page wakati iko blank. Double click, hit different first page, insert my page number huko top of page. In fact unaweza tumia hii, but let us just use this so that mjue page number inakunga top right. Then tumia backspace kurudisha page number hapo. Type in running head in sentence case, and not only the word running head ndio in sentence case. Hiyo ingine ya police recruitment nafaa kuwa uppercase yote. Uppercase. Then one yako ikikuwa hapa, use tab kwa mwisho. So do this. There you go. Let's ensure yes.
Thank you so fast.
Narudia hiyo process tu.
Sawa.
Ni police recruitment process. When typing, ensure type correctly. Ukimake any spelling error, word itajua. Haya, I'm done here. Sawa, alafu hapa katikati you enter twice, ama thrice is okay. Then enter the title of the paper. Unaweza sukuma chini kidogo, unaweza kuwa 3 to 4 spaces. Alafu type name, name ama student's name. Alafu institution affiliation. Alafu again, hii yangu sijaweka default, but ninyi mnafaa ku make sure your paragraph default ni 2 na hii. We don't have, always remove a space after the paragraph. So this is my complete first page for APS6. Running head, this is the title. We have a page number. Then we have the police recruitment as the title, and it should be in title case. So he P in capital letter. So title case inamaanisha each word is capitalized except for conjunctions na hizo small connecting words. So then I want to show you one more tool. Hii tool ya kushow or hide special characters. Special characters don't appear, always honor like ziko, but you know there's an enter here but you can't see. So when you click this show, itakuonyesha. So this special character itakuallow uone page break, paragraph mark. So this is a paragraph mark. Kwenye iko inamaanisha mtu alihit enter. So when what happens, nikitaka to go to a new page, most of you will be hitting enter to a new page. But at this point, I want you to learn I can break this page using a page break so that we go to the next page directly. So there are 2 ways you can do it. You can either come here to layout, break, next page, your page break. It insert a page break, and that page break will break this page at this point, na ipeleke kasi yangu to a new page. So without hii nini ikiwa off, you won't see. So there's a page break here, but I can't see. So anything I type after affiliation, itaenda kwa new page. So the easiest way is to use the shortcut.
Very fast. Jamini.
Let me do it again. Hadi hapo tuko sawa?
Kuna mtu akona swali?
Kuna mtu akona swali hadi hapo? Kuunda page 1, running head na easy. Peke yake. Kuna mtu akona swali?
Mimi page 1. Yes. Inabidi tu urudie.
Ati?
Page 1.
Yes.
Ijapo nikikusikia vizuri, but saizi niko sawa na tunapata vizuri.
So nirudie.
Vile unaanza kabisa kila kitu.
So I've said, okay, let me just start kabisa. This is my new page. I've created to a new page. And I want to do a paper for APS6. Yeah, police. Yeah, police recruitment process. Yeah, criminology. So I've said it in APS6, tutakuwa na running head. And for page 1, what happens, tunaanzanga na kucheck your box a different first page because you'll see that the first page is different from the rest. Alafu to insert page number, alafu to insert running head. So that's the process. Check box. Sasa hiyo box inakuja unafungua header. So the process ni kufungua header. Kufungua header una double click. Umeona hii gray hapa hivi? I don't know if you can see. Double click anywhere kwa paper penye hii gray iko. Hapa. Double click tu itafungua header. That's the easiest way kufungua header. So ukishafungua header una check box. Yeah, different first page. Sawa? You'll see why. Because first page is different. The header of the first page is different from the rest. Alafu una insert page number. So nilisema unaweza insert from home pia. Home insert. Unaweza insert from insert. Page number ndio hiyo page number, top of page. But that's a longer process. Unaweza tu insert from hapa. Top of page. Until hapo tuko sawa?
Yes.
Yes. Alafu una hit backspace. Unaona kasi yangu iko before one. So I want to type in running head hapa mwisho. Hapa flash left. So nimetumia backspace kurudisha huku. Nikatype in running head. Alafu nikatype in police recruitment process. Nikiandika wrong spelling niambie. Alafu tumia tab. I want now to return my one to the far right. So I hit tab on the keyboard just once or twice. And there we have our first running head, ya page 1. Alafu, let me see. So, doing that, use about 3 or 4. Enter, hapa hivi insert hizo paragraph marks, enter. Then center your work, hapa ikuje katikati. Then again, use retype the title. Now in title case. Hivyo. Ensure after typing control A. Nikaweka 2, nika remove, but you guys unaweza kuja hapa uset as default hizo double nini set as default so that iko default length spacing iko double until hapo tuko sawa. Mwenye wako anasikia?
Okay, naomba kuuliza kwanza.
Yes.
When you're talking about title case. Title
Yes.
case ni normal text ama title case ina
Title case inamaanisha vile we have two main cases ndio, upper case, lower case which is that one na upper case. Ile tu hiyo tulikuwa tunasoma at our very early stages. Hii ni upper case, sawa? Upper case inamaanisha every word is capitalized ndio. And then we have the lower case. Lower case every word is in lower case in small letters. So title case inamaanisha every single word is the first letter of every word is capitalized, first letter. So naweza katu hivi capitalize each word. Hiyo ni title case. But there's a catch. If you have an off here, huwezi weka hivi off because off is a conjunction. So lazima ikue in small letter. Sawa? So just know title case, every word, every noun, every word mrefu, each word is every first letter of the word is capitalized. But if you have a conjunction like and, hata word itakwambia tu there's an error hapa, unaona? So hizi ndio zinabaki. Are we together? But
yes, but taking you back kwa hapo
Yes.
kwa running head.
yes.
Ulisema running head, the word running head inafaa kuwa title case.
In sentence case. Only the first letter iko only R pekee. Hii head usiweke H capital A. Ni tu. Na hii see this one's a sentence because hapa kuna full stop. Unaona? So hii inaishi hii ni sentence na hii ni running head. Hii ni sentence case. So sentence case inamaanisha only the first letter of this all sentence is capitalized. Unless kuna hizo words zenye lazima zikuwe capitalized kama jina ya mtu nini, hizo naming words. Otherwise only the hii ni sentence case. So running head H haiko capitalized. Alafu hii ni uppercase. Every single word, every single letter is capitalized.
Okay, got you.
Any other questions before to end up page 2? Aya, I'm going to page 2. So hapa after nimefika hapa nilikuwa na introduce kitu hii paragraph mark inakusaidia uone hii show. Inakusaidia uone penye umeweka enter. So hizi ni enter. Nikidelete moja napotea alafu word yangu itasonga juu. So most of you mnafanyanga hivi. I know most of you mnafanyanga hivi kwenda to a new page. But I don't want me to see staki kuona hivi when tunawapea kazi. Use a page break. So I was introducing a page break at this point. So page break vile kati ya chama jana will come use this page break. Itatusaidia ku break this word here to a new page. So there are two ways. Hii jaandika shortcut, but shortcut ni control enter. What you do, just hit control enter. Ukiwa hapa mwisho last one control enter, because hapa hivi we are not adding anything else hapa between institution affiliation and the next page. So just hit control enter. So hit control enter, itafungua page 2. There we go, we are at page 2. So the first thing you do at page 2, tunarudia the title of the paper. Unless kuna abstract, but most of the paper will be writing it upon abstract. So this title, we have the same title, nothing changes. But now we have to redo the running head. So we are redoing the running head because to recheck ile box tukasema running head ya first page ni different. So for concurrent pages kwanza page 2, the preceding pages zitakuwa the same except for page 1. So what you do again, you insert. So you can uncheck it, you already got check tunachana. So just insert the page number, then backspace twice, then type in our running head, which is police. Please put hapo even though we insert. So you can see our first page iko na jina running head, lakini our second page haina jina running head. So if you follow your procedure niwaambia, it will exactly turn out like this. If you miss anything, you are doomed. So always page number comes before he. Always tick your box up before you start doing anything. So check box, insert page number, type in the running head in this format, type in that, insert our page break. Here is our page break. After inserting the page break, we'll go to the next page, copy paste the title. Here we'll have the title. Then redo this by inserting the page number. You can insert to page number, italeta to page 2. But new option in top of page, option 3. Then retype police recruitment process in uppercase. Hapo utakuwa umefanya almost 70% ya formatting ya APS, so itakuwa imebaki tu ya in kwa kazi. So ukishafika hapa, you're supposed now to write your paper. So the first thing you have to know, we'll have an introduction. Sawa? But you never use this word introduction in your papers. So introduction tunajua iko, but you just unaanza immediately. You don't, this is not, hii iko part of the section. Unaanza tu your paragraph immediately. So each tab, yes?
Hiyo title yenye iko in title case.
Yes.
Inafaa kwa kila page.
Hapana, iko page 1 na 2 peke yake. Kwa page 1
Yes.
na 2. Ya page 3 kuendelea you don't urudi kuweka title. Sawa sawa?
Okay.
Nice question. Yeah. Hii ukishaweka kwa page 2 ni hivyo. So let me just copy paste my X. So this is your work, doctor. So you start writing. you start writing your text from here. And notice, this is the introduction. We don't have a title named introduction, just introduce your work. And then you can indented. Now you indented ni half an inch. So ukipata word yako inaleta hadi hapa, you can just either drag, hit tab again, ama drag to equal half an inch. Our indentation is always half an inch. Then write your full sentences. Your first sentence should be a topic sentence, your police recruitment process. Then write up introductory, during your introduction, introduce the general thing you'll be talking about. Then conclude your your paragraph with a last sentence that should or must have a thesis statement in it. So this is the title, right? So nafaa kuwa na a first level heading hapa. If you have that, you first level heading. Let me just put up this. First level heading. So the title in APA, wait a minute, is it bold? Yeah. So you have the title. The first level heading in APA iko bold na iko in title case. Second level ndio hiyo, third level, fourth level. So just like hii PDF inasema, we'll have a title, then you have now the first level heading, which is bold and centered, then the second level heading. I'll show you what hizo first level headings what they really are or what they mean. Then every paragraph in APA inaanza inakuwa indented, every paragraph, all the paragraphs. So for first and second paragraph haijashikana na heading, but for third level na fourth level headings zimeshikana, the same to fifth level. And then now we come upper. So at the end of your work, ukishamaliza kazi yako, huku mwisho unafaa kuwa na kitu inaitwa page break, because references zinafaa kuwa on a new page. So again, just control enter, hata naweza add hapa ingine, unaona. So nimeweka page break mbili, page break, but you only need one. Control enter, hit control enter, it will clear everything here, ipeleke kwa new page. So that's what we want for references. This is important kwa sababu, let's say you are writing more work, so you are writing more work. Ukifika next page, badala ya hii references ikwe just hapa hivi, itajisukuma tu automatically to the next page, because there's a page break here. Lack of this page break, let me just show you. Nifinya enter, ndio imeenda on a new page, ndio. However, anytime I create new work, I do more work, hii haitakuwa ina start on a new page, and we need this reference to always start on a new page. That's why we need that page break here. I hope you guys understand. So we have the page break, itashinda tu hapo. It will always be on a new page. There we go. So I'll show you also how you are supposed to enter references in APA. But before then, is there any question before tufanye references? Before tufanye kwanza level heading, then tufanye references, then tufanye some tags.
First level heading na second level heading,
Yes,
zinafaa zikuwe bold.
Yes, zote, in fact zote except the fifth level heading. Kwa APA 6 bold.
Na hizi zenye ziko italics,
Ziko italics ni fourth na fifth. Tutafika tu hapo sahi. Any other question yenye relate na level headings? Mmeendelea what a page break is? Okay. And kuna pia kitu inaitwa, we'll learn about a different type of break in future, is section break, but for now we've just learned a page break, what a page break is. So I'm moving forward to level headings. So level headings, now if we are doing a paper on police recruitment process and we are going to write about 7 pages or 8 pages, we don't expect you to write paragraph after paragraph after paragraph until you finish 8 pages. tuna expect you will section your work into focus on different sections, the process. Kwanza hii ni police recruitment process. So if we will have different processes, you will have to section your each process, maybe inaweza kuwa na each own section. So let me just first Google nione inakwanga na process ngapi, then I show you. Kwa hivyo nikifanya sitaki kufanya hiyo process because the work you guys will be going to do, so mta copy paste exactly what we'll be doing here. So kati unaweza pata topic nyingine hapo tunaweza tumia. Ya last time ilikuwa gani?
Civil war. Fanya civil war.
Hata kuna hii hapa. Difference between chronic and acute pain. Nice. Acha tufanye hiyo. Aya. Let me show you how hii title page, hii title case inaadiwa. There you go. Difference between chronic. I edit the wrong paper. I'm editing the wrong paper. There you go. So you can see between na and zitabaki zikiwa in small letters. Word itakwambia tu. This is title. Hapa naweza ya sitama vibaya. Hii inafaa kuwa uppercase. Copy it. Here. Perfect. Then stick any spaces. Okay. So let's say you're doing a paper between the difference between chronic and acute pain. So let's say you want to introduce your work directly. So what you do? Introduce kazi yako hapa directly tu. Hivyo. But you can forward me one of the works when wale students walikuwa wamefanya, then we'll use it as an example. So this one's hii itakuwa your introduction. You can comment, add new comment.